Nick and Tina Frasina, and we've built with Makin Homes in Mandurah Bay in 2017, 2018. Yeah.
Okay, and what sort of inspired you sort of with the style of your home? What were some of the reasons? Like, obviously you created a beautiful Hamptons home and Hampton style. What sort of inspired that?
I always liked the Hampton style, and then when we found the block, we kind of wanted to build something that really suited the block and worked for it.
Okay, and I think you've done that because obviously you've encapsulated not just your rear views and the front views as well. So you've got the hills to one side and the ocean to that, which is, you've taken all aspects of the property. Obviously, leading up to coming across Makin Homes, what were some of your three biggest concerns before commencing the building project journey?
I think that our vision was going to be seen, if you know what I mean, and exactly the style that we wanted was going to be captured, I guess, and it definitely has, as you just mentioned. It's exactly what we expected, isn't it? And better in some parts, if you know what I mean. We just had a little mud map, and then
I think
you guys make it work.
As well, especially Nick was quite particular about what methods we used and things, and some builders have their own preference, and I remember with you guys it was just however you like it to be done, we can do it either way. It's not just only experienced in one method.
So flexibility was obviously a concern with yourself.
Because other building companies, we would want a concrete suspended slab, but they want to do their own, what they normally do, if you know what I mean.
Okay, yeah.
So that was just a quick no straight away for a lot of that we spoke to, or display homes that we went through. It was just a quick no straight away for us.
Yeah, anything we wanted, we could. It was our choice. Yeah.
So that were probably definitely some of the challenges that you were trying to find the right builder to suit and have the flexibility to possibly change throughout the build, but also be happy to use the building products that you wanted as well. Before Makin Homes, did you actually venture down any other paths or anything of the sort, or was it mainly just going through the display homes and chatting with the sales reps?
Mainly going through display homes for, I guess, ideas and just a starting point. We realised pretty quickly that we probably weren't going to get what we wanted with a big builder, and then the local word of mouth heard about you guys. And,
that's good. And that's how you sort of come across Makin Homes? It was
just a friend whose husband works in the industry that said if I was ever to build again, I would make him, and I thought, if he's in the industry and he says that, it's pretty high.
And we've actually said that quite a few times, haven't we? Like, if we were to build again, we'll most likely go with Makin Homes again. You know what I mean? It's just been a really good process, the whole thing.
Yeah,
so.
It's been easy.
Yeah.